I'm Abhay Chand, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Petro IT. And at Petro IT, we are a software company. We do software solutions for energy, so the entire energy infrastructure lifecycle, starting from the supply chain to construction to commissioning to operations and maintenance. As this energy transition is happening in the world, and so over the last 1 year, maybe a little more than a year, 16 months, we've been developing a new platform, which is so we were traditionally oil and gas software, and then we developed a new platform which applies to the entire energy space, so even renewables and the energy transition. And so DECARBON was a perfect place to come and talk to people about it. For us, the main benefits of the sponsorship is to get our brand known to the industry, which is our market segment, and to gain credibility, brand recognition, and also meet a whole lot of potential customers. I think as part of DECARBON and before it was called TOGC, and we participated there too. One of the best factors of this event is the B2B meeting. So BGS group is very good in organizing the meetings, and they bring to us the people who we want to talk to and explain our products to, and the end users. And we had some great meetings like with Kuwait Oil, with Fluxys, and get a lot of potential leads and the conversation going with customers. We're developing a platform using which an energy company can create a solution for themselves to track their processes. We've met a lot of interesting companies. Some are already our clients, and then some new companies whom we haven't met before. So that was very interesting, and we had like B2B meetings with them. And hopefully have some more B2B meetings today. So that's been great. Personal manager has been great. Her name's Anna, and she's been in touch with us, organizing everything. So it's all gone smooth. We've not had any hiccups. We were able to organize, the B2B meetings, the session which we sponsored, even my presentation, and everything was taken in advance and put together very well.